Hey beautiful beings, my name is Maja. I'm a therapist, writer and spiritual teacher. Today we'll focus on an EFT tapping protocol for cultivating self-love. So, what is tapping? Tapping or emotional freedom technique EFT is a practice that combines acupressure and affirmations to release emotional blocks and also stress. So follow along with me, repeating after me as we tap on specific points on our body. So just relax, take a time, and before we start, close your eyes, take deep breath, imagine yourself filled with self-love, acceptance and compassion. Feel what it's like to fully embrace and appreciate yourself. Also, when you're ready, open your eyes and let's begin. We start with karate chop point located on the outer edge of your hand below the pinky finger. So we will tapping and just repeat after me. Even though I sometimes struggle to love myself, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I sometimes struggle to love myself, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I sometimes struggle to love myself, I deeply and completely accept myself. Now tap on the top of your head while saying, I release all negative feelings preventing me from loving myself. I release all negative feelings preventing me from loving myself. Tap on the inner edge of your eyebrows while saying, I choose to love and accept myself. I choose to love and accept myself. Tap on the side of your eyes while saying, I'm worthy of love and respect. I'm worthy of love and respect. Now tap under your eyes while saying, I let go of all self-doubt and criticism. I let go of all self-doubt and criticism. Tap under your nose while saying, I choose to embrace self-love and compassion. I choose to embrace self-love and compassion. Tap on your chin now by saying, I deserve to feel love and value. I deserve to feel loved and valued. Tap on your collarbone points while saying, I release all negative patterns from the past. I release all negative patterns from the past. Now tap under your arm about 4 inches below your armpit while saying, I open myself to self-love and acceptance. I open myself to self-love and acceptance. Tap on the top of your head while saying, I welcome love and respect into my life. I welcome love and respect into my life. Tap on the inner edge of your eyebrows while saying, I accept myself with all my flaws and strengths. I accept myself with all my flaws and strengths. Tap on the side of your eyes once again while saying, I release all emotional blocks that prevent me from loving myself. Tap under your eyes while saying, I choose love over fear and self-doubt. I choose love over fear and self-doubt. Tap under your nose while saying, I'm ready to live a life filled with self-love. I'm ready to live a life filled with self-love. Tap on your chin while saying, I feel self-love in every part of my being. I feel self-love in every part of my being. Tap on your collarbone points while saying, I welcome self-love into my life. I welcome self-love into my life. Tap under your arms while saying, I open more and more to love and acceptance. I open more and more to love and acceptance. Now we have completed the tapping session. You will tap a little bit on your wrists and take a deep breath in and out. Shake your hands a little bit and feel the changes in your body and mind. Repeat this protocol whenever you need to boost your self-love. And thank you for tapping with me. I wish you an abundance of love and happiness. And see you in the next episode.